Thunder is a sound. So how can anything be thunder gray? What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the LeBron 15 Low Blackout. As is the case for most of the LeBron signature line, we either get the high top or the low top. One of the shoes will give us a blackout colorway. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard LeBron 15 box with the LeBron James word logo on the top, and you have the Nike swoosh as well as the word logo on the back, and the King's crown on the front. And the colorway is black and thunder gray. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe's familiar battle knit upper, as well as the 3M and leather details, have all been blacked out to create this colorway. Taking a look at the toe, you have the battle knit toe in black. For the tongue, you got the black pull tab with the LeBron James King Crown logo on the top, and it's 3M. And the laces on the shoe are black, but they've also got this grayish speckle sparkle to them. The inside of the tongue features the number 15 in Roman numerals. The insole is black on black with the initials 15 with the King's Crown and 23 in Roman numerals. Taking a look at the lateral, you got the all blacked out battle knit. The heel features the leather back tab with LeBron James signature and 3M. The medial is also blacked out with this 3M Nike swoosh in the corner in this grayish colorway. Taking a look at the midsole, you've got the blacked out midsole with the 3M Nike swoosh and the full length Zoom airbag. And the outsole is all black with the Lions logo on the heel. This is a basic colorway, like I said, basically all of the LeBron line has at least one blacked out colorway. The low top colorway is still gonna be a clean colorway, but it's not a colorway that you need to rush and go pick up. It's gonna sit and it's probably gonna hit outlets. So if you're really interested in this colorway, you could probably wait until then. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The LeBron 15 Low Blackout hits Nike retailers at Nike.com on August 1st for a retail price of $150. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out Solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.